In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to distribute your survey using Qualtrics, which is an essential skill for gathering insights from your audience. Let's dive right in and explore how you can easily get your survey out to the people who matter most. To begin, you'll need to log into your Qualtrics account. If you've already got an account, go ahead and enter your email and password and access your dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by following the on-screen instructions. But assuming you're already set up, let's move on to the next step. Once you're logged in, take a moment to look over your list of projects. Here, you'll see all the surveys you've previously created or have access to. Find the specific survey you wish to distribute. It's crucial to select the right one, so take a quick second to ensure you've got the correct name to avoid sending out the wrong survey. With your desired project selected, you'll find yourself in the Surveys Builder interface. Here, among other options, you'll notice a tab labeled Distributions at the top. Clicking this tab will take you to the section where we'll focus on preparing your survey for distribution. In the distribution section, you'll see several options on how to share your survey. For this tutorial, we'll specifically choose the anonymous link option. This choice is perfect if you're aiming to reach a broad audience without collecting personally identifiable information, or if you plan to embed the link in various places to maximize your reach. Upon selecting the anonymous link option, Qualtrics will generate a unique URL for your survey. This is your primary tool for distribution. To ensure you have the link saved and ready for use, locate the Copy Link button and click it. This action places the link on your clipboard, allowing you to paste it wherever you need. Now that you have your link copied, it's time to share it with your target audience. You can paste this link into an email to send to a specific group, include it in a newsletter for broader reach, or even add it to presentations or web pages. Essentially, anywhere your audience frequents is a good place to position your survey link for maximum visibility. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully prepared and shared your survey via Qualtrics using an anonymous link. By utilizing this method, you ensure that your audience can easily access and complete your survey, leading to more effective data collection. Remember, the success of a survey is often in how effectively you can distribute it. So take these steps to heart and happy surveying.